Hi and welcome to Lesson 7 of Lumise Editor for WooCommerce Personalizing and Configuring Lumise Editor Settings. In this video, we will explore how to configure the Lumise Editor and Shop settings to deliver a personalized and seamless experience for your customers. Simply go to the Lumise settings and click on the General tab. In the General tab, you can upload a logo to display in the editor, and you can also add a URL for it. If you want to add a site title for your browser, you can enter it here. If you want to upload a favicon, you can click on Choose a File and upload it to be displayed in the editor. If you want to change the color of your theme, you can select your desired color or add a new color from the color palette. Once you have selected a color, click on Apply Now to add it to the list of colors for your theme. If you want to add terms and conditions that show before placing the order, enter them in the text box here. After making these adjustments, click on Save Settings. Now we are in the editor. As you can see, the color has been changed and the logo is showing here. You can add your own favicon and logo as well. The next tab is the Editor tab. To allow users to select colors from the color picker and add new colors to the list, select Yes in the Color Picker option. Here are the default colors used to fill objects. To add new colors, you can click on Add New Color and choose the desired color. Once you have selected the color, you can click on Add to List or Apply Now to add it to the list of available colors. Next, we have the Right to Left (RTL) option. To enable the right to left reading mode, check this option. There are more options below that allow non-admin users to share, print, and download their designs. To enable them, make sure the toggle switches are set to Yes. Next is a list of components that need to be displayed in the editor. You can arrange them as you see fit. You can disable any of these by selecting No under the Disable Resources options. Below that, you can set the minimum and maximum upload sizes for your users' photos. You can also set the minimum and maximum dimensions in pixels and PPI for uploaded images. To check if the image resolution is too low, check the Low Resolution Notice option. This will add a notice when the resolution is lower than the minimum PPI. The Design All Stages option will require design at all stages before the product can be added to the cart. The Auto Zoom to Fit option will automatically zoom to fit the product within the screen. Lastly, the Show Calculation Formula option will allow you to see how the price is calculated. To disable bug reporting, select Disable in the Enable Bug Reporting section. You can also choose to enable it but not send it to lumise.com, or you can select Enable and Send to lumise.com and allow users to report bugs from the editor. You can write in your own prefix for the file name when it is downloaded. To disable the QR code generator, set the toggle switch to Yes for the Disable QR code option. To enable the Auto Snap option, which will automatically align the position of an active object with other objects, make sure the toggle switch is set to Yes. To keep all current objects and add the template, check the Template Append option. To replace the selected image instead of creating a new one, check the Replace Image option. To display the Lumise editor in a page with a header and footer of your theme, check the Show Header Footer option. Here you can also set the width and height for the editor in case you're showing the header and footer. After you have made these adjustments, click on Save Settings. Now we will go to the Shop tab. To change the currency, enter your currency symbol and currency code. This is the currency code that is used for payment. Set the thousand separator and the decimal separator. You can set the number of decimal points shown in the displayed price. To show only the design and hide the product on the cart page, check the option Show Only Design. If you want to display the editor for design, select the desired page from the drop-down under Editor Page. For the button text, you can write your own or use the default text of Customize. To show the Customize button on the product list page or other listings, check the option under Button Listing. To show the Customize button on the product page, check the option Button Product Page. To send design details in an email to the administrator when orders are created, and to the customer when orders are complete, check the Design Details in Email option. Once you are finished, click on Save Settings. We will move on to Google Fonts. To allow users to add or remove fonts to the browser, select Yes for the User Can Manage Fonts option. Here are the Google fonts already added. To add a new Google font, click on Add New Google Font. Here you can select your desired fonts. Once you are done, click on Save Settings. Next, we have a Languages tab. To change the backend language, select your preferred language in the backend language dropdown. To change the editor language, you can choose your preferred language under Editor Language. To allow users to change the language in the editor, check the Allow Users Change option. After clicking on Activate Languages, the selected languages will be activated. You can also add a new language by clicking on Add New Language. Once you are done, click on Save Settings. Lastly, we have a Help Contents section. You can enter a title and the contents to be displayed on the Help menu in the editor. You can have multiple Help Content tabs with content added as plain text, rich text, or HTML code. You can translate the title and the content into other languages. In the About Content section, you can write or add text under your logo in either rich text or HTML format. After completing these settings, click on Save Settings. With these settings, you can configure your Lumise editor and deliver an optimized, personalized, and engaging design experience. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleeker Digital.